What'd you use?
Huh?
Pink worm?
No. I'll show you when they get in here if I ever get my fly back. He ain't done. He just gobbled it as soon as they hit the water. Get like a bluegill almost. I was expecting a little bit more of a...
Was it a hopper?
No, it's one of them nymph things. He's determined. You don't get him this time. You ain't gonna get him. Really? I think he just popped it off. Popped my line and everything. Oh, there it is.
See it? Huh.
He hit it on the drop as it was dropping down. Boy, he double bent that hook and everything, didn't he?
Yeah.
Jesus. Get a picture?
Take a picture.
Betcha. Are you ready?
Yep.
Don't have to be fast.
Oh.
He's wild.
It's a common? Where are you casting at? The fish was right on at my foot.
Yeah, they're right in front of you.
You got it? That one was right next to the bank. It's a good size. Hold on.
Yeah.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
All right.